Good morning, students. So, today we will start with our second chapter, and that is the plant fairy. So, students, we are surrounded by beautiful and colorful plants, trees, flowers, and leaves around us. We can see them everywhere. We can see them outside of a house, we can see them in the garden, we can see them in the park. There are different variety of trees, different plants, colorful flowers, and different shapes of leaves. So today we will learn and discuss about different kinds of trees, plants, what are the parts of the plants, and leaves, how many different variety of leaves you can see, and we will learn about that. Okay, so students, here in this photo you can see that there are some children playing in the garden, playing in the park. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. Last Sunday we went to a garden in the neighborhood. We played hide and seek, chupan chupai, and antakshari. We had a lot of fun. After some time, okay, so what the chapter is saying, that last Sunday they went to a garden and they played hide and seek, chupan chupai. In the same way you would also be playing with your friends, right? So they played chupan chupai and antakshari, all the children together. They had a lot of fun. After some time, their didi said, let us play a new game today. We had played this game in the camp last year. So their didi said that let us play a new game today, which we played last year in the camp. I will become a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something and you will have to touch it. Now what the didi says, that they are going to play a game. The game's name is plant fairy. So any one person will become a plant fairy. She or he will call out a name of something and you will have to touch it. This is the game, how it is to be played. Okay. The game began. Didi said, the plant fairy asks you to touch a plant. So now, what does the Didi say? So the Didi has become a plant fairy over here. Okay. So the Didi says that at you have to touch a plant. What the Didi says, that you have to touch a plant. So the children goes here and there to touch a plant. At once, all the children ran towards the plants. Now, here after hearing a word plant, students, what comes in mind? A plant is what? See, we have seen a lot of trees and plants around us. Have you seen that some parts of the plants are under the ground and some are above the ground? There is a plant. How a plant stands on the ground? See, there are some parts of the plant which are under the ground and some are above the ground. And in that way, the plant can stay straight on the ground. Did you understand? Now the parts which are under the ground, they are called roots, and the parts which are above the ground, they are stem, branches, leaves, small flowers. Sometimes you can also see small buds coming out. There are many parts of the plants. Okay, so if I ask you that which are the parts of the plants, what you will say? Which are the parts of the plants? The parts of the plants includes roots, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flower and fruits. These are all the parts of a plants. Roots are under the ground, under the soil, from where the plant starts growing. Then it has stem, branches, then the branches has leaves, then on that small birds grow, then it turns into a flower, and small fruits also grow into that. So these are all the parts of the plants. You understood, kids? Now, Didi said, very good. Everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other? So now what does the Didi say? As soon as the Didi said that everyone has to touch a plant, so all the children ran and touched different plants. Now what the Didi said, that everyone touched the plants, but did you all know that each and every plant is different from each other? The plants are not same. The plants are always different from each other. So, Didi, you are also sitting on little plants, said Shabnam. So now here, these are all these all are different types of plants. See, here the girl in a pink frock is holding a marigold plant. Then there is a jasmine plant. Then there is a mendi bush. Then there is a neem tree. So Dayaram has caught hold of a neem tree. See, the boy standing here, his name is Dayaram. He is holding a neem tree. Okay, and see here Didi is sitting on something. What is that something called? It is called grass. That is also one type of a plant. So what does Shabnam tell to Didi? That Didi, you are also sitting on little plants. Can you come the plant on which Didi was sitting? Can you name the plant on which the Didi is sitting? She is sitting on the grass. Okay. Now the game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. Now what is the second thing? Everybody went and touched the plants. Now she said that touch a tree which either has a thick trunk or a thin trunk. So the kids rushed and started finding trees and touching it. The children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? See, here you can see a tree whose trunk is very thick. Have you seen any tree whose trunk is so much thick? So there are different types of trees which you can know. There are tall trees, some trees are short, some has a thick trunk, some has a very small trunk. In the same way, there are a variety of trees seen around. There are banyan tree, mango tree, they all have very fat and thick trunk. So Michael found the game very interesting. Okay, what did Michael found? Michael thought that this game is very interesting and I am enjoying it. He thought how lucky the fairy was. He thought that the fairy was very lucky and he got so excited that he also wanted to be a plant fairy. Now see students, here I would like to tell you something. There are different types of plants. Let's learn what are different types of plants. Okay, see, for example, number one, we can take trees. Tree is also one type of a plant. They are tall, they are big, they are fat. They are also one type of a plant. So, what are trees? Those plants which has thick and broad trunk are called trees. The plants which have thick and broad trunk, they are called trees. For example, you can take a banyan tree, a guava tree, a peepal tree. They all have tall and thick trunk. Then next we can go to shrubs. What are shrubs? Shrubs are those kind of plants which are smaller than trees and bushy in appearance. What are shrubs? They are a bit smaller than trees and they are bushy in appearance. I mean, they are in a flow. They are bushy in appearance. For example, you can take a marigold shrub or a lemon shrub, hibiscus. These are all examples of shrubs. Next, you can take hubs. Now, what are hubs? They are also a type of a plant. The plants which are smaller than bushes are called hubs. Hubs are very small. For example, you can take grass. You can see grass is very small. Hubs are very small plants. Mint you can take. Mint is pudina. They are very small. Coriander, spinach. They are very small plants and they are called hubs. They can never be big. So we can call them hubs. Okay. Then you can say climbers. Climbers are also a part of a plant. The plant which grew up with some support are called climbers. Climbers cannot stand with their own thing. They need some support to stand and to grow. For example, you can say money plant. They need support of a tree or a thread and it grows on. Grapes. Now grapes is also a climber. Yes, it is a kind of a plant, but it needs a support to grow. And last we can say creepers. Creepers is a type of a plant. It grows in the ground itself. It does not grow up, it grows in the ground. Its roots are in the ground. For example, watermelon plant, pumpkin plant. So, these are all types of plants, different types of plants. Did you understand, kids? So, let's move further. Now, here, Michael is very excited for this game. Michael found the game very interesting. He thought how lucky the fairy was. He could order everyone around. Now, I want to be the plant fairy, said Michael. He thought that whoever is the plant fairy can order everyone to go around and touch the things which the plant fairy will tell. So Michael was so excited to be a plant fairy. The children laughed aloud. A boy fairy? Michael was a boy. So the children felt very funny and they laughed that how can a boy be a fairy? They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. But then they decided that okay, Michael will be a plant fairy, and so they decided to take orders from the new plant fairy. Michael said, "Get me some leaves quickly." So now, what did Michael say? Michael said that get me some leaves. First, they said that get me some plants. Then they said that go and touch the trees. And now they said that get me some different kind of leaves quickly. But here, what he said? But remember, you are not to pluck the leaves from the plants, said Didi. The children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. They were said that they do not have to they do not have to pluck the leaves. They just have to take the leaves which are on the ground. Okay, kids. So here see you can see a variety of different colorful leaves. Do all the leaves have similar colors, shapes and margins? See students, you would be seeing different leaves lying around on the floor wherever you go, okay? All leaves are of different colors, different shapes, different patterns, different margins. Any leaf is not the same. No leaf is same. Leaves are always of different shapes and different margins and different colors. See here you can see different variety of leaves. Their margins are different from each other. Some are small, some are big, some are of heart shaped, some are lightly oval shaped, some are pink, some are purple. So they have different shapes and margins. So now what happened? Dayaram said, I did not know that there were so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long, and some are triangular. What they said? What did Dayaram said? That I did not know that there are so many types of leaves. Some are long, some are triangular, some are heart shaped. Amu said they are of so many different colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red, and purple. There is one which is green but has white patches on it. See, here you can see kids, here you can see the variety of colors of leaves. Leaves also have different colors in different seasons, right? You can also see purple leaves sometimes, you can see red leaves, you can see some green leaves but with white patches on it. Look, even the margins of these leaves are different from each other. Some have straight margins and some are uneven. Kids, margin means the entire outer side of the leaf. They have different shapes. See here, some has a curvy shape, some has a zigzag shape, some is round. In the same way, some has straight margins, some are uneven. Some of the margins even look like a saw, said Shabnam. So leaves have different margins, different colors, different shapes. Okay, kids. Amu and Shabnam shouted together, we also want to be the plant fairy. Now the game got so excited, so nice, so enjoyable that the other kids also shouted and said that we also want to be a plant fairy. But Didi said, not today, maybe next day. It is time to go home now. But they were getting very late, and so their Didi said that not today, some other day we have to go home. On the way back, Didi recited a poem for everyone. Now, when all the children were going back home, the Didi recited a poem for everyone. Now, see kids, here you can see this poem. Around the poem, see the beautiful variety and shapes of leaves. All these are leaves. Some are very small, some are very big. See, some has how what kind of shape, different shapes, different varieties. You have so many leaves over here. Let's go through the poem once. Leaves: red, purple, and even yellow. Some green, wet, and loose. Leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and shades. So here the same thing is told, that leaves are of different types, different colors, different shapes and shades. Some are like the elephant's ears and some are playful like the devil. Some are torn and some are folded and some even eaten like the beetle. Some are like the elephant ears, as in they look like an elephant ears, very big ones. Some are playful, some are torn, and some are folded, and some have been eaten like a beetle. See kids, sometimes leaves are also used as medicines, as in for medication purpose. See, for example, you can eat tulsi, you can eat ardusi. These all are the leaves which can also be used as medicines. And in the early dawn's darkest hue, you will find the flowers cry tear like dew. Some are like butterflies, some are like bees, some are hairy, and some plain. Some dry up to look thorns, and some even resemble cranes. Whoosh, whoosh, scuttle and flutter. In the breeze, they all do mutter. When the breeze goes, the leaves flutter from here and there. All day long they smile and play, and in the night they sleep away. Leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and hues. So, students, leaves are of different varieties, different shapes, different kinds. What you can do is, whenever you go outside your house or in the garden, you can observe, you can notice what are the types of plants, where are the trees, how are the trees, they are tall, they are short, which tree is there. You can ask your mother to tell you that, mama, which is this tree. You can see which leaves are lying around, what kind of leaf is this, what is the color of this leaf. Okay, kids. So, I hope you understood this chapter very nicely. Thank you.